Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of Cooking Up a Revolution. It's going to be a Lego review episode. As you know, I got a message I need to get out to the people, and I don't always know how to reach them. And, utilizing the resources that I got, what I got's a Lego set. So we're just going to go through this a bit. I had been out of the Lego hobby for about 20 years probably. I think a long time. And then just decided to kind of get back into it. And they had this one out, and I just fell in love and had to get it. And I actually had the funds as an adult to be able to make a purchase like that. So let's just go over the details here. So first off, we got all these little tile shingles here. That could all be made out of dirt and clay and fired. That's how people could naturally make some roofing for themselves. But there's a whole problem of taxes on land ownership and government being able to confiscate your property for not paying their fees. We got a little chimney here with the nice brickwork. This is the main walkway going up. We got a little lamp by the door. And down here we just got a little back room where he keeps all the extra wood. We got a little water well, bucket, and we got a nice apple tree. Should always have more apple trees. Oh no. The fact that edible fruit trees aren't everywhere seriously pisses me off. Why is that not a thing that we do? And we come to the back side. We got a little archery target there on the apple tree. Gotta make sure you practice that all the time. Come around to this side. A little pumpkin patch, some squash. We got little bellows here. That lights up the forge. We got the anvil, who's working on a sword. Spin it around some more. Okay. Now we can just take the roof off like that. And when we look inside, we got a bearskin rug. Was trying to kill all the sheep and the chickens and the other livestock. So it wouldn't just go on its way. Guy had no choice. It wasn't a crime. It's defending his livelihood. That's okay. This made me laugh. Nice little message from the universe. Reminded me to write my stories. Got his little feather plume pen in the inkwell. A little brick saying once upon a time. A little candlelight on the little end table. Got some more fire in the fireplace there. A little backpack in a treasure chest. And we got the bed there. And that's the third level. And on the second level, we got the kitchen. Well, the chimney goes all the way up, so they utilize the heat from the forge there to cook their stuff. We could churn some butter. Got a little chopping board with our carrot slice there. Some pots and pans. A little carrot slice in the cooking pot. A nice dinner set up there. Two chairs, tables, fried chicken, some greens. Open the windows. And then on the main level here, we got the workshop. We got a little grinding wheel there and some extra bars of metal and then some rods, an anvil. So yeah, all sorts of just neat little things and details. It comes apart super easy and goes together. Take it apart. All right. Okay. So here's Mr. Smith here working away on his forge. Dog starts growling. You know something is amiss. And oh, sure enough, here comes the king's men, here to collect their fee. Because government always has to collect their fee. All the citizens gotta pay their fealty to their lords. Doesn't matter what your situation is, doesn't matter whether you like it. They force their will upon the citizens. Fuck! Up comes this little fucking guard here. A little government strongman. Totally immoral. Ready to take everybody's hard-earned dollars. It's been a hard year. Crops didn't come in too good. Not too many people buying. Not too much extra money going around to get us through the winter. But the king needs to have his fee. So we're going to take it from you by force. And if you resist us, we'll kill you. And around comes the corner is Mrs. Smith. She happens upon the thing. She was out hunting deer. Because she's all soft-footed. Sneak up on them real good. Mr. Smith's all big and clunky. She's like, I've had enough of this shit. So she, poof, lets loose an arrow. Oh, hits the freaking little king's sheriff of Nottingham. Boom, takes him out. He hears a thud. Oh, what was that? Turns around. As soon as he turns around, boom, bashes his head with the hammer. Boom, bashes his hand. He drops his axe. Boom. Bashes him in the head again, because he's all armored. So now he's like, how do I defeat him? You know, he just dazed him a bit. But Mr. Smith ain't no bitch. So he grabs him, and he throws him into the forge. Boom. Well, he's holding him there, and he's all struggling. And then, faithful doggy here, he comes, and he goes and pushes the bellows. Oh. It's getting awful hot in that armor, little king's man. Trying to take the people's hard-earned wages. Oh. He's all, it's hot, oh no. My armor's getting all melty and it's the hair melting my skin. And he's like, well, you should have thought about that before you decided to hurt the people. Put your freaking wages and the authority of others over your fellow human. You think that's okay? It's not okay! It's nice and soft and malleable now. Well, now we gotta deal with the rest of the king's men. So that wasn't really a solution, was it?